Are you tired of dealing with extreme heat inside your home? Does your house feel like an oven in summer? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 10 simple and practical ways to keep your house cool without relying too much on air conditioning. Tip 1. Keep windows closed during the day and open at night. Many people think opening windows during the day helps, but that's a mistake. Hot air comes in and stays trapped. Instead, keep your windows and curtains closed from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. to block the heat. In the evening, open them to let in cool, fresh air. Tip 2. Use wet curtains or damp towels. Here's a simple trick. Take a damp bedsheet or towel and hang it near an open window. As the breeze passes through, it creates a cooling effect, just like a natural air cooler. Tip 3. Place ice bowls in front of fans. This is a budget-friendly hack. Put a bowl of ice in front of your fan, and as the air passes over the ice, it spreads cool mist throughout the room. Try this for instant relief from the heat. Tip 4. Use exhaust fans to remove hot air. Did you know that exhaust fans can help cool your home? Turn them on in the kitchen and bathroom to push out hot air, making space for fresh, cooler air. Tip 5. Switch to light-colored and breathable fabrics. Dark fabrics absorb heat. Instead, switch to light-colored cotton or linen bedsheets, curtains, and pillow covers to make your home feel much cooler. Tip 6. Avoid using heat-producing appliances. Your stove, oven, and even the iron produce heat, making your home warmer. Try cooking in the early morning or late evening to avoid overheating your space. Tip 7. DIY window shades using foil and cardboard. This is a powerful DIY hack. Cover your windows with aluminum foil-wrapped cardboard to reflect sunlight away and keep your home cooler. Tip 8. Sprinkle water on roof and balcony. Did you know that watering your roof or balcony in the evening can cool your home? When the sun sets, sprinkle water outside. It helps reduce heat trapped in the walls and floors. Tip 9. Cross ventilation with strategic fan placement. This trick improves airflow. Place one fan near a window, pulling in cool air, and another one facing outward, pushing hot air out. This cross ventilation trick makes a huge difference. Tip 10. Keep indoor plants that cool the air. Plants like aloe vera, erica palm, and snake plant not only purify the air, but also release moisture, helping to keep your home naturally cool. These simple tricks can make your home much cooler and more comfortable. Try them out and let us know in the comments which one worked best for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel Life Tricks Human for more informational videos. See you soon.